I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product unboxing videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impression of this LG 32-inch monitor. So, I hope it works, because I bought this like more than a month ago on the last Prime Day. And if it doesn't work, I mean, we could get it returned because it's defective, but it would be more of a headache because the 30-day policy isn't honored anymore, so we'd have to go through more hoops to do that. But the reason I bought this for my dad is because I need to take back my 32-inch curved monitor that my friend gave me, so I could do that other video about the double monitor stand, so go check that out if you're interested. But originally I loaned it to my dad so that he could use it, and he liked having a bigger screen. He didn't like it being curved though. So I want to get him a replacement monitor that was flat. And the LG is a pretty trustworthy brand, so that's why we went with it. So you can buy on Amazon right now for $165, which is the price that we got it for on Prime Day, when it said it was on sale. I'm not mad, I'm just, you know. Okay. Alright, so this is what comes in the box. So we get the power supply, I'm guessing this is. Of course with the monitor and assembly instructions, but assembling a stand is pretty easy. One reason we bought this is because it's not super tall. We need a monitor that's less than 19 inches tall so it can fit under my dad's cabinet. So these are the screws for the stand, an HDMI cable, the power brick, the power supply cable, and this is part of the stand too. Yep. I'm just gonna put these in the bag. And then what else looks like this is the vertical part of the stand. Seems like pretty sturdy plastic. Yeah, what kind of nice that is. Feels good quality. Not like some other plasticky stands made by other companies. This looks like a pretty normal leg setup. As far as reviews are going to go, this isn't going to go too deep because this is not a high-octane monitor. It's just meant for normal office use, and my dad's going to mostly use it for video editing. This arrived kind of dirty. I'm not sure if it's how much it spent in packaging, but you can see there's a bit of I think that's oxidation on the stand. It's not really an issue though because it's going to be covered up by the actual part of the stand. So we do that, and I think this is a thumb screw where you just tighten it in. So I think I gotta loosen it first so that it sits flush with the bottom. Then I can actually tighten it. And then we're going to look at the actual monitor after I tighten this. Okay. So let's take a look. Alright, so the monitor comes in styrofoam, covered up by this packaging. Let's see. Lift up like this. Okay, I'm not sure why they have an unboxing instructions for a monitor. Okay. Alright. Let's hope that it's not cracked when I flip this up. Okay, so good so far. Looks like a pretty normal monitor. Just a normal 32-inch monitor. Again, this is the back side. It supports VGA and 2 HDMI. Interesting that they don't support display port. They have one audio jack and one power input. Okay. So this is a pretty nice, clean profile for a LG monitor. For a monitor, which is what LG is known for. They're usually pretty trustworthy as far as monitor brands go. So what we're going to do is put on the monitor, which, let's put the styrofoam down. And get the 2 screws that we needed from before. And this doesn't come with a screwdriver, so you're going to need a screwdriver of your own to insert it. And I think the cap goes on top of this, so we'll get that and put that on top. And because this isn't a high octane review, I'm just going to hook it up to my Mac, and we'll see how that works. Okay, so take this part, and we're just going to slide it on. There we go. Okay. Looks like it holds pretty well. That was a bad idea, in case it broke. Anyway. Wow. So, this is the 32-inch monitor. Has a nice pivot. So, this is the max back pivot. And this is the max forward pivot. Just to get that from the side. Forward pivot, back pivot. Okay. And I'm going to hook it up real quick. But so far it's good experience. All of it matters on the actual viewing experience. But the monitor itself feels pretty sturdy. And it does feel like it has LG quality. Although this is a pretty short cable. Seems like it's about 4 feet long. So let's turn it on. Again, you can get this on Amazon for about $160. It's not a gaming computer, but you could use it. Sorry, a gaming monitor, but you could use it for gaming. The disadvantage of really large monitors for gaming is that the edges of the monitor, like the corners of it, tend to suffer from field of view issues. It doesn't really look the same. It kind of gives you a headache if you don't use a curved monitor. Okay, and the HDMI cable they gave us is 5 inches long. Sorry, 5 feet long. And we're just going to plug it in. Can you see yourself in the reflection? I don't think so. Okay. So this is a bottom button. So the bottom button has it can pivot on 4 axes, and you can press it simply just to turn it on and off.